This tutorial guides you through enabling execution workers and execution worker warmup on Runtime clouds. You will configure necessary properties and settings to ensure optimal runtime performance. Navigate to the Runtime Management section within the Boomi platform to begin configuring your Runtime cloud settings. Choose the specific Runtime cloud instance where you want to enable execution workers and execution worker warmup. Click the Properties tab to view and modify configuration settings for the selected Runtime cloud. Navigate to the Advanced Settings section to access detailed runtime configuration options. Select the Execution Workers Enabled property from the drop-down that will enable execution workers by preparing the property input fields. Click the Add a Property button to create a new runtime configuration property. Select the option to turn execution workers on to activate this feature on your Runtime cloud. Enter the value to enable execution workers, confirming the feature is set to active. Click the Save button to apply the new property settings to the Runtime cloud configuration. Confirm the prompt to restart the Runtime cloud now so the new execution workers setting takes effect immediately. Navigate back to the Cloud Management section to continue configuring additional Runtime cloud settings. Choose the cloud environment where you will adjust execution worker quotas and warmup settings. Access the Attachment Quotas tab to modify resource allocation and execution worker parameters. Select the specific Runtime cloud instance to configure quota and execution worker settings. Navigate to the Execution Worker Settings area to adjust execution worker counts and warmup options. Click the quota value to begin editing the number of allocated execution workers. Click the field representing the current number of execution workers to modify its value. Enter the number of execution workers to allocate for this attachment. Review the information about the minimum number of execution workers to understand its impact. Enter the minimum number of execution workers to keep running at all times to ensure availability. Confirm the minimum execution workers setting to maintain consistent runtime performance. Navigate to the Warmup Configuration section to enable automatic replacement of workers. Click to open the settings related to execution worker warmup behavior. Click to access the option that controls automatic warmup of new execution workers. Click the field to edit the warmup setting for execution workers. Enter the value to enable execution worker warmup, ensuring new workers start automatically. Click to save the changes made to the execution worker warmup settings. Read the description explaining how enabling warmup starts new workers before old ones shut down. Confirm your understanding of the warmup feature and its benefits for runtime cloud stability. Click to toggle the execution worker warmup setting between enabled and disabled states. Switch the warmup setting to enabled to activate automatic replacement of execution workers. Refer to Boomi's official documentation for detailed guidance on enabling execution workers on private runtime clouds. Follow instructions to select Runtime Management from the Manage menu as part of the setup process. Review the default values and format options for execution worker warmup enabled settings to ensure proper configuration. Understand how settings can be inherited from the Runtime cloud cluster or set explicitly. Examine the options for enabling or disabling execution worker features based on inheritance or explicit settings. Learn that when an execution worker is within 30 minutes of shutting down, the cloud starts a replacement worker automatically. Observe that the default number of execution workers allocated is 0 before enabling the feature. Ensure that the number of execution workers is set as a positive integer to comply with system requirements. Confirm the number of execution workers allocated and understand that changes take effect immediately once enabled. You have successfully enabled execution workers and execution worker warmup on your runtime clouds. Verify the settings and monitor runtime performance to ensure smooth operation. For further configuration, consult Boomi documentation or explore related runtime management tasks.